Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas. Garden decorations made of junk and clutter are fun DIY projects that help declutter your outdoor spaces and explore unusual and interesting ideas or recycled crafts that will brighten up your house exteriors, garden designs, and backyard decorating ideas. Garden decorations and artworks, outdoor furniture and organizers made of old, rusted and broken gardening tools are wonderful ways to recycle useless items and give your garden designs and backyard ideas a nice artistic touch. Creative DIY projects for recycling old, rusted or broken gardening tools, for streaking garden decorations, artworks, birdhouses, functional outdoor furniture and organizers are fun activities for teens and adults. An old, rusted or broken garden tool, shovel, rake, fork or hammer can be transformed into gorgeous garden decorations, sculptures, outdoor furniture, organizers for small gardening tools, and even outdoor lights, adding cool things to garden designs and backyard decorating ideas beside plants and flowers. Unusual garden decorations, organizers and outdoor lights made of old gardening tools, tin cans and metal buckets are perfect recycled crafts to prepare unpretentious and pretty eco gifts that show your talents, resourcefulness and creativity, saving money and bringing more excitement into your busy life.